Hi, I'm Bill Ritchie, and I'm standing at the corner of 2nd and Mercer, the corner of what property that used to be called the Kreilsheimer property. Kreilsheimer, a multimillionaire, left this property to the city of Seattle many years ago on the condition that it be used for cultural arts and experiences like that. And as recently as 10 years ago, it was occupied by a cultural center called the Teatro Zimzani. Since then, it has been divided and resold through the Seattle Opera to build apartment buildings, including arts and culture features in those apartment buildings. The corner where I'm standing is still owned by the city and is designated to be a park. Right now it is a park, although as you see by the fence behind me, it has been fenced off until further developments can be raised. And one of those developments is affordable housing, and I'm working actively to make that affordable housing for artists. That is, artists, craftsmen, and designers, as defined by various organizations as being artists who are producing works or performing in the arts, or craftspeople and designers. My plan is for the Northwest Print Center incubators, which includes at least 10,000 square feet of affordable housing for artists, including live work, because my plan is the Northwest Print Center incubators, which is essentially a network of small business startups which in one way or the other relate to my field of expertise, my domain of expertise, which is printmaking, and that includes the newer technologies that were generated by print over the 1,000 years of history. In other words, my plan is to provide experiences such as sip and print, young printmakers, seniors printmaking, based here in Seattle, but spawning national distribution of networks, let's say, for franchises for Sip and Print, similar to Sip and Paint, which was the fastest growing franchise in the last 10 years. A lot to talk about. This is the very beginning of a process which may take a year or 3 years to develop, but I'm really optimistic that this site where I'm standing will become the Northwest Print Center Incubators building, called probably by a nicer name than that. Thanks for watching this. I'm Bill Ritchie in Seattle.